Okay. First question. So, una nga man, Sir Hilary. Then, kausala, makacheck ka gani, makakuha kan ballpen. Ha? Di gani makacheck, ayaw pagkuha. So, makato ka loyo. Okay. First question. What is the English of Flores de Mayo? Waray may matutdo, ha?
Flowers of May.
Okay, Flowers of May. Correct. Kuha ng ballpen, lingkod. Next, who is the mother of Jesus? Very good. Kuha. Who is the son of Mary? Okay, Jesus. Correct. Next, who is the father of Mary? Who is the father of Mary? Very good, Joachim. Next question. Who is the mother of Mary? Who is the mother of Mary? Who is the mother of Mary? Dugang han kuan nga to, Zoe, dugang. Dugang. Sige. Okay. Nga to, luyo ka mo. Luyo ni Lawrence, Zoe. Okay, again, who is the mother of Mary? Very good, Santa Ana or Saint Anne. Next, who is the husband of Mary? Who is the husband of Mary? Who is the husband of Mary?
Joseph.
Very good, Joseph. Next, who is our Pope today? Hino natin Santo Papa? Who is our Pope? Who is our Pope? Santo Papa. Pope Leo the? Very good. Pope Leo the 14th. Correct. Next. Ino pa mapila? Ngato na. Waray pa naka-correct. Ngato dito. John Paul. Ino pa waray? Roy, waray ka pa? O, ngato na. Ikaw, Day. Ngato. Naagi ito, naagi. Apapil, diri ha kamot. Diri ito maagi kung nada ha kamot. Okay, sige na. Ngato pila na, napil. Anwaray pa naka-check. Dali.
Mama,
Oy, Roy, dato na. Ngato na, Roy. Napatalaw ka man. Sige, ngato, Larry. Hindi rin napatalaw. Ngato, Chloe. Ngato. Ino pa ito no sa Ashley. Ngato. Nadiri ko dira na. Hadlo ko dira na. Kuanira. Oh. Okay, next question. So, tulo ka symbols. What represents faith? What represents faith? Hatulo ka symbol. Ang gindrawing niyo last time. Ngato ka na, Zoe, haloyo. What represents faith?
Babalik. Faith, prayer.
What represents faith? Very good. Cross. Next, what represents hope? What represents hope?
Cruz.
What represents hope? What represents hope? What represents hope?
Anchor.
Very good. Anchor. Next, what represents love or charity?
Heart.
Very good. Heart. Okay.